How to use the camera to take food shot on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, at the bottom here, you want to swipe across and tap on more, then tap on food. Now from here, you can tap on the blur button here. This will allow you to turn on the blur effect or turn it off. So here we point the camera at the food. So I'm just going to turn it around to landscape mode. Here you can zoom in or zoom out. You can also choose to turn on blur effect or switch it off. And that's it. After that, just point the camera at the food and then tap on the shutter button to capture the picture. And that's it. That is how you can take food shot with your Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra, how you can take the food shot. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.